Good day to all of you. The process of monthly test is on. At the same time, we will continue our journey of numerical. The more we practice numerical, the more you become perfect. So, we will continue numericals from the first chapter. Today, we will be discussing on mole concept because this is the most important concept for the 11th and the 12th. So, let us discuss some numericals on mole concept. Calculate the number of atoms of each element in 245 gram of KClO3 potassium chlorate. Calculate the number of atoms of each element in 245 gram of KClO3. Our first work is 245 gram of KClO3 means how many moles of KClO3. That you have to calculate. So once we know the how many moles of KClO3 is there in the 245 gram of KClO3, then accordingly we will calculate the number of atoms by multiplying the Avogadro's number. Okay, right. Molecular mass of KClO3 from the atomic table, it is 122.5. So now number of moles of KClO3 equal to given mass by the molar mass. Given mass is here. So 245 gram of KClO3 means how many moles of KClO3? It is 2 moles of KClO3. Okay. Now 1 mole of KClO3 contains 1 mole of K, 1 mole of Cl and 3 moles of O. In the same way, 2 moles of KClO3 contains 2K, 2Cl and 2 3s are 6O. That I have written here. Okay. So 2 mole of KClO3 contains 2 mole of K. So 2 mole of K means how many atoms of K? 2 into 1 mole equal to 6.02, 2 into 10 to the power 23 particles or atoms. So 2 into this number gives you these many atoms of K, these many atoms of Cl and these many atoms of what? Oxygen. Next example. 4 gram of NaOH dissolves in 36 gram of water. Calculate the mole fraction of each component in the solution. Also determine the molarity of solution given that specific gravity of solution is 1 gram per liter. Okay. So 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in the 36 gram of water. This is a solvent, major quantity, minor quantity, NaOH solute, and together of these two is called as a solution. Right. What is the mass of solute NaOH? 4 gram. So how to calculate from 4 gram number of moles? As usual, mass given by the molar mass, 0.1 mole. Okay. So 4 gram of NaOH means 0.1 mole of NaOH. In the same way, mass of water given equal to 36 gram and molar mass equal to 18. So 36 by 18 gives the number of moles of water, that equals to 2 moles. Okay. Now we will calculate the first requirement, mole fraction. Mole fraction equal to number of moles of that particular solvent, particular component by total number of moles present in the solution. Okay. Now mole fraction of water, right? So number of moles of water, where it is number of moles of water, here 2 mole. Okay. So 2 by total, these two. So 2 by total, that equal to 0.95. Now we here how many components are there in the solution? Only 2 are there, and we know that sum of the mole fractions of the components equal to 1. So instead of going for the next step, you can go for what? Once you know the mole fraction of water equal to 0.95, you can minus from the one that gives you the mole fraction of the other one. Otherwise, separately calculate, left to you. So now mole fraction of NaOH equal to what? Number of moles of NaOH by total number of moles. Okay, number of moles of NaOH, how much? Here, number of moles of NaOH 0.1. So 0.1 by this, that gives you 0.047. Together approximately equal to 1, or it has to be equal to 1 only, right? So molarity of, mole fraction of water, mole fraction of NaOH. First part is over. What is next part of the numerical? It is molarity. Okay. What is the mass of the solution? Solute plus solvent together is a solution. So solute plus solvent equal to 40 gram. So 40 gram is the mass of the solution. Now what is the volume of solution? For this we have to use the given data here. Specific gravity of solution equal to 1 gram per liter. Okay. So for 1 gram its volume is 1 liter. What is the mass of our solution? 40 gram equal to 40 liter. So using the mass of solution, we are calculating volume by using this data. Okay. So volume of the solution equal to 40 ml for 40 gram. Okay. Right. Now what is the molarity? Molarity equal to number of moles of solute. I should write here by we make it by here. Volume of solution in the liter. So what is the number of moles of solute? Solute is what? NaOH. It is 0.1 by and volume of solution in liter. It is given in the ml. Okay, 40 ml equal to how many liters? 40 by 1000. That is equal to 0.04 liters. And if you simplify, that gives you 2.5 m. Capital M for molarity, small m for the molality. So molarity of the solution equal to 2.5. Next problem. How many atoms of hydrogen are there in 36 gram of ammonium ion? Let us convert 36 gram of ammonium into moles of ammonium. Okay, right. For this we want molar mass. Molar mass equal to 1N and 4H, 18 gram. Okay, so number of moles of NH4 equal to given mass by the molar mass, 4 moles. Okay, 1 mole contains 1 N and 1 mole of N and 4 moles of H. Okay, now 4 moles of ammonium contains how many moles of hydrogen? So in 1 mole 4 are there. In 4 moles 4 fours are 16 moles. Okay, so 4 moles of ammonium contains 16 moles of hydrogen. So we have made in the moles. Now he has asked in the number of atoms, no, hydrogen atoms. 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Now 16 moles equal to 16 into that number. That gives you this answer. So these many hydrogen atoms are there in the 16 moles. Okay, that means in the 36 gram of sample where 16 moles of hydrogen are there. That is the meaning. Now, next problem. Calculate the mass of 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. Okay, 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms means 1 mole. Then 12.044 into 10 to the power 23 atoms means how many moles? So this by this, that gives you 2 mole. Okay, now he has asked the mass of these many atoms. These many atoms of oxygen means this much mole of oxygen. Now, what is the 1 mole of oxygen atoms? Means what? What is 1 mole? 1 mole of oxygen atoms means the gram atomic mass of oxygen or the gram molar mass. Okay, what is the molar mass of the oxygen? 16. So 1 mole equal to 16 gram from the table, atomic mass table. Okay, so 1 mole equal to 16, 2 moles equal to 2 into 16, that gives you 32 gram. Next problem. Calculate the number of hydrogen atoms in 1 mole of H2. Calculate the number of H atoms in the 1 mole of H2. What do you mean by 1 molecule of H2? 1 molecule of H2 means only 2 atoms of hydrogen. Then what is 1 mole of H2? 1 mole of H2 means 2 moles of hydrogen. Clear? 1 molecule contains 2 atoms of H2. But 1 mole contains 2 moles of H atoms. Okay, right. So 1 molecule of H2 contains 2 hydrogen atoms. It is only 1 molecule. This is 1 mole. Okay, H2 means 2 moles of hydrogen atoms. Right. So 2 moles of hydrogen atoms means what? 2 into what is 1 mole of H atoms? These many numbers. So these are the number of hydrogen atoms present in the what? In the 1 mole of H2 sample. Very simple for half mark. Calculate the number of copper atoms in 0.3175 gram of copper. So first we'll convert the gram into the mole. Okay, this is the given mass. Molar mass you take from the table. So given mass by the molar mass equal to 0.005 mole. So 0.3175 gram of copper means 0.005 mole of copper. Okay. So 1 mole of copper contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of copper. Now 0.005 mole contains how many? So this into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That gives you, after simplification, these many copper atoms. Okay, right. Now calculate the number of molecules in 22.4 liters of CH4 methane. Oh, number of molecules of methane in the 22.4 liters of methane. Again, Avogadro law for the gas. 22.4 liters of any gas means 1 mole. So 22.4 liters of CH4 means 1 mole. 1 mole means what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of methane. Answer is here only. Okay, right. Right. Next example. Find the volume of 1 gram of hydrogen gas in liters at NTP. Second is find the volume of 20 gram of H2 at NTP. And the third sub question is what is the volume occupied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of any gas at NTP. Okay. First, molar mass of H2. 1H equal to 1, 2H equal to 2 gram molar mass. Okay. Number of moles of H2 given mass by the molar mass. Given mass is 1 gram. So 1 gram by 2 gram equal to 0.5 moles of hydrogen gas. Okay. Now, 1 mole of H2 means it is a gas, no. 1 mole of H2 can take 22.4 liters. Therefore, 0.5 mole can take how many? So 0.5 into 20.4, that gives you 11.2 liters volume. Now in the same way, it is for 20 gram. Answer is you try same method. Now I will go for directly third one. What is the volume occupied by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of any gas? Same rule, Avogadro law for the gas. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules means 1 mole. 1 mole means it is 20.4 liters. Answer is here. Okay, different way he is asking. An atom of some element Y weighs 6.644 into this much gram. Calculate the number of gram atoms in 40 kg of its sample. Okay, right. So mass of 1 mole of Y equal to what? This is the mass of one atom into Avogadro constant. What is the mass of one atom? Mass of one atom is this much into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Means this is 40 gram. So this is the mass of 1 mole of sample Y. Okay. So 1 mole of sample means what? It is the gram atomic mass or the gram molecular mass. Okay. Therefore, atomic mass equal to what? 40. Now, atomic mass is given. Now in 40 kilogram, how much is there? It is 40 kilogram into convert into the gram. So 40 into 1000. So 40 into 1000 by, so given mass by the molar mass. So this is the what? Gram, number of gram atoms of the sample in terms of moles equal to 1000. Thank you, my dear boys. Till now we discussed some samples, and till Friday night we will be discussing same only. Next week we will go for the next chapter. Okay. Thank you, my dear boys.